Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable flip invocation card on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. You can find different buttons. If you want to enable the flip invocation card function, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and at the left side of the screen go to the second button, the game. Go to the gameplay section and you can find the flip invocation card / cookie skill button. If you want to enable this function, click to the off button, and if you want to disable, just click that again and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next time. Bye bye.